Hey there, today we're going to be going over how to IRL stream from your Android in 2026. In this video, we're going to be going over everything, including what app you should use to stream on your Android, how to make sure that your stream doesn't end if you lose connection or your connection gets spotty when you're outside, as well as how to get your chat and your alert browser source overlays onto your stream. All right, let's head right in. Okay, so starting out, the first app that you need on your Android phone is called IRL Pro. It's pretty much like a camera for streaming, and this will go to a cloud-hosted streaming server. You could go straight to Twitch or Kick, but what will happen is that if you're outside and you lose connection, what Twitch or Kick will do is end your stream and all your viewers get kicked from your live stream. So to prevent this, what you need is a cloud-hosted streaming server. What I would recommend is the best and most popular one, which is called Streamable. And what this gives you is 100% stream drop protection. So whenever your connection gets spotty or completely goes dark, what will happen is that Streamable will switch your live stream to an offline scene that will show your most popular clips or whatever clips you decide that you want. And then when you gain connection, the cloud-hosted streaming server will then automatically switch back to your phone video data so that your live stream gets resumed. And so on streamable.run, what you need to do is launch a server. So just click quick launch here, and this will take less than a minute. So here we have the Streamable control panel, and this is where you can control your stream. So these are the scenes, and when you switch them, it'll be shown to your Twitch or Kick or whatever you set the destination to. And so to connect your Android, it's actually really easy. All you need to do is open up the camera app, and if we're going to add it as an ingest, we'll select ingest 1 for now, and SRTLA IRL Pro. And then you can just unblur this QR code and scan it directly from the Android camera app. And what it does is it automatically adds that destination into IRL Pro, set that destination as the active destination, and press go live within IRL Pro. And just like that, now your IRL Pro is connected to the cloud-hosted streaming server. And this is the compressed preview, but we can see a better preview in the remote OBS. Like so. Then whenever you're ready to start streaming, just click start stream here, and it'll go to whatever active destination like Kick or Twitch that you set up. All right, now to get the chat overlay onto your stream, what I recommend is a thing called Streamlabs. They have it for free. So what you can do here is just go on the left after you sign up, click chat box, and click here to copy the widget URL. And then what we want to do is in the remote OBS, go to sources, add, and click on browser source. Here, let's name it chat and paste that URL into URL here and click OK. And then we can test it out by just typing into the offline chat on Twitch, and you see that it shows up on our remote OBS. For alerts, we can do the same thing. It's just in this alert box tab right here. We just copy the widget URL and paste it into a new browser source on Streamable. And there you have it. Now you are all set to IRL stream from your Android phone. You can go outside and stream without worry. And I hope you guys have a good time. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.